51 developed countries have already been provided with more than 4 billion for COVID-19 vaccination funding. 25 countries will be added soon in this work, declared by World Bank President David Malpass. African countries have placed an urge for vaccination as only half of the population has been vaccinated. For more as 41 requests have been received in this regard. The G20 countries are encouraged by WHO, IMF, and World Bank to vaccinate 40% of the population by the end of 2021 and 60% within the first 6 months of 2022. There are already financial barriers in case of COVID vaccination. Therefore, the G2 countries are also urged to share and fulfill the goal of 1 billion doses of COVID vaccination along with other developed countries that took part. The financial leaders will meet next week in Italy in this regard. The president has made a call for releasing the excess doses from the developed countries. Well, this would make an effective distribution among the other countries that are less vaccinated. He has stated COVID as a long-term war that is not going to go away in a blink. During the last 6 weeks, the middle-world countries like Latin America and others had been urging and requesting the World Bank for enough financing. It is reported that more than 1 billion requests have been received in this regard. The operational director of the World Bank has read that a distinctive increase has been seen in the financial demand from the developed countries. Starting from the time of the crisis, the International Development Association and World Bank, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development have lent close to 100 billion, whereas the usual level was just 60 billion. This also shows how concerns are growing for the vaccination rate. It is also expected that by the end of 2022, the funding would be increased. With the help of COVAX and the African Vaccine Acquisition Task Team, the countries can use vaccine financing packages of the World Bank.